Hello, baker friends. I have something really cool to share with you today. So I have shared several videos already about extract flavors that I have received from Dolce Foglia. I've shared the cheesecake extract, the pumpkin spice, and the caramel. Well, today I've got something new, and this one was even packaged differently. Now I've taken it out of the box because it's a surprise. Here it was, and then it came with the dropper, and it came in this box, and it came with this. So there's a digital recipe book that you can download. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this up for you here so you can pause it if you want. Maybe you can figure out how to take a picture of that. Or you can go to, let's see, dolcefoglia.com/recipe book. There you go. But they talk a little bit about their extracts in this little gem, and water extracts, because they have both water and oil extracts here. So the water soluble flavors work best in products like beverages, icings, and fillings, and then the oil soluble flavors work best in products such as cookies, cakes, and frostings. Okay, and a little goes a long way. Okay, so now let's get down to it. The flavor. I wish I could tell you what the flavor is, but I can't. Let me show you why. It's a mystery flavor that they put out just in time for the holidays. And I was fortunate enough to get one, and that's exactly what it's called, mystery flavor. Now I can tell you this because I went ahead and took off the lid and put in the stopper, and I've smelled it, and gosh, it's got notes of vanilla and fruit, like a fruity note to it. Not crazy fruit like, oh, that smells like oranges or lemon, but just like a note of fruit with vanilla. That's the best way that I can explain it. Although it's a little caramelish too. Anyway, this would be delightful in baked goods for sure. So I would probably start, let's see, I think this one is an oil soluble one. Yeah, so this works best with candies, chocolates. Oh, this one here says baked goods and frostings. Oh, lip gloss, lip balm. Very cool. So I would probably try this in like an icing. That would probably be the place where I would start. But I could also see this being used in my chocolate chip cookies, or maybe a filling for a macaron. Anyway, it all sounds delicious, and I've got so many ideas just floating around in my head right now. But whatever it is, whatever ideas you may have, leave me your ideas in the comments, what you would use this mystery flavor for, with notes of caramel and vanilla and like fruit. I honestly don't know what's in it, so this was like a blind smelling for me when I opened the box. So if you want to order some though, it is out for a limited time. But you can head on over to their website and you can use the code Deanna10 for a discount. Yes, you can. And there's a link in my bio that will take you straight to the website, and then you can just key in my discount and you can try some for yourself. And if you've tried it, let me know. I'd love to know your thoughts on the actual flavor of this and what you've used it in. Okay, so here's to happy budget baking.